Hello everyone. Today we are going to see next lead code problem, which is greatest common divisor of strings, GCD of strings. Now let's see what the problem is. For two strings S and T, we say T divides S. Let's assume two strings are given S and T, and I will say T divides S. This string T will divide S if S contains what? If S contains T multiple times, multiple times means it may be one time, two time, more than one time. As for example, like here S equal to T, then plus T plus T plus T. So what does it mean? It means T may come one time or more than one time. That is called as concatenation of a string. So here you can see T is concatenated with itself one or more times. Here given two strings, a string 1 and a string 2. So in the problem as or as a example, we will be given two strings, a string 1 and a string 2, and we have to find the largest string x that can divide both string 1 and string 2. What does it mean? As for example, see this. Here I have been given a string 1 and a string 2. We have to find a common string of largest length that can divide both 1 and 2, string 1 and string 2. In this example here, ABC, a string that contains three characters ABC, can divide this also and this also, string 1 and string 2. So output is ABC. Let's see another example. In this example here, if you see the string A and B, this can divide the string 1 and string 2 both. So what will be the output? AB. But if I select this string itself AB AB, then it is not possible to divide the string S1 by this because its length is what? 4 and its length is what? 6. So is it possible to divide 6 by 4? No. So we have to decrease its length, and if we select the string AB only, then AB can divide both string 1 and string 2. Now in the third example, if we see the third example here, is the string 1 is this and the string 2 is this. The characters, all the characters in both the strings here you can see are different. So not possible. The output is empty string. So now let's see how to write the code for this. Now let's see. Here what I have done is I have created two strings, S1 and S2, and I have stored a string 1 and a string 2 in this. First, what I am doing is here I am finding the GCD, greatest common divisor of S1 and S2. Here I am checking the length of a string S2 becomes 0 or not. This loop will continue until the length of a string S2 does not become 0. As it will become 0, I will come out of this loop. So here, while S2 is the length of S2 is not 0, if not, then what I will do is I will store S2 in S1, and here see this length of S1. I am finding what? Length of S1. If we see the example 2, let's see here what the example 2 is. Example, wait 1 minute, here see this. Example 2 is st, I am writing str1 st1 as a b c, no, ab, again ab, again ab. Now take another string S2, string 2, it is given as AB, again AB. So this has been given to me. Now see this. Now what is the length? Length of S1. Length of S1 is what? Here, length of S1 is what? It is 6. And length of S2 is what? This is ST1, this is ST2. It is given. And I am storing ST1 into S1 and ST2 into S2. So what is its length? Its length is 4. The length of S1 is 6 and length of S2 is 4. Now I am doing here mode operation. Mode will give what? It gives us remainder. So 6 mod 4. What will be the result? If I do 6 mod 4, the result will be what? 2. Remainder will be 2. So here, colon, I am performing slicing operation, or you can say slice operation on string S1. So what is S1 is this ST1. So slice. So I am starting from 0. If nothing is given before colon, then it means I start from the index 0. The index here is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 0 up to what? Mode operation gives what result? It is giving remainder as 2. So 0 to 2, 0, 1 and 2. So up to 2. So start from 0 and go up to 2. But in Python, if it is 2, then we will go up to what? 1. So 0 and 1. So these two are selected or not. So what S1 will store now? So now my S1 becomes what? S2. And what is S2? S2 is AB and AB. And what is my S1 done? Now S2 is what? S2 is S1 of this A and B only. So this is my S1 and this is my S2. Now again, is length of S2 here I am checking. Is S2 0? No. We have AB. So if not, so what I have to do is store S2 in S1, S2 in S1. So what is S2? So cancel this and store AB. Next, in S2, what will be the output? In S2, what will come? So we will remove AB and what is the length? Length of S1 is 4 and length of S2 is 2. So 4 by 4 mod 2 is what? 0. So in S2 we will have what? Nothing, blank string. And in S1 we have AB. In S1 we have AB and in S2 we have nothing, blank. Now let's see this. So S1 we had what? AB and in S2 I have what? Nothing, blank. Now go here again while loop. Is S2 0? Yes. If S2 not 0 then go here. If S2 0 then come here. Now here what I am doing is here S1. Take S1. What is S1? S1 is AB. Multiply it with what? Length of a string 1. What is the length of a string 1? My length, the length of a string 1 was what? 6 and the length of a string 2 was what? 4. So to length here S1. S1 is what? AB into length of a string 1 is 6 divided by length of S1. Length of S1 is what? 2. So 6. So here 6 divided by 2. What will be the result? 6 divided by 2 is what? It will give quotient. Quotient. So 2 divided by 6 divided by 2 is what? 3. So AB how many times? 3 times. So AB, AB, AB. Is AB, AB, AB equal to a string 1? Yes. My string is my str1 was what? AB, AB, AB. And here I am getting S1 is also as AB, 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 A, B, A, B, A, B or not. Now here I have this condition is true. Now come to this condition here S1. S1 is what? AB and length of a string 2. What is the length of a string 2? Here it is S2 but string 2 length was what? 4. 4 divided by Length of S1. What is the length of S1? 2. So 4 divided by 2 is what? 2. So what is S1 for S1? So S1 is what? AB into, see this here, this is a star sign, length, so 4 divided by 2. What will be the output? 2. So AB into 2, it is hanging weight, huh? So it is 2. So AB into 2. So what will be the output? AB twice, AB, AB or not? AB, AB. Now it is equal to a string 2. Yes, since I have checked the example 2 on this code and it is here. This is equal to this for example 2 and this equal to this. So we will return S1. And what was S1? S1 was AB. So this is the GCD of string 1 and string 2 in example 2. But now in for the other example, if this condition gets failed, then we'll return empty string.